My name is Ayan. For many years, I had one habit that quietly held me back. I doubted myself. Before trying anything new, I asked myself, can I really do this? What if I fail? What if I am not good enough? Because of these doubts, I avoided many opportunities. When my teacher asked for volunteers, I stayed silent. When my friends encouraged me to speak English, I hesitated. Even when I had good ideas, I kept them to myself. One day, our teacher announced a small English activity. Each student had to share their opinion on a simple topic. My heart started beating fast. I wanted to participate, but my mind said, "You might make mistakes. Others speak better than you. Stay quiet." I almost decided not to speak, but then I remembered something. If I always doubted myself, I would never improve. So I raised my hand. My voice was soft at first. I spoke slowly. I made small mistakes, but I finished my answer. After I finished, my teacher smiled. He said, "Good effort. Keep practicing." That small encouragement changed my thinking. I realized something important. My doubts were stronger than reality. The next day, I tried speaking again. Then again. Each time, my confidence improved. Slowly, my doubts became smaller. I noticed something surprising. The more I tried, the more I believed in myself. I understood something simple. Self-doubt grows when you avoid action. Confidence grows when you take action. Now, whenever I feel unsure, I remind myself, try first, judge later. Because doubt is only a thought. It is not the truth. And when you move forward despite doubt, you discover your real strength. Final thought. Do not let self-doubt stop you. Take small steps. Confidence grows with action. Ending line. Keep learning English, keep believing in yourself, and always remember, you are more capable than your doubts.